Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to fix your Gmail password in case lost or due to old ID. You forgot your Gmail password spontaneously. Recovery email and recovery phones, how do you rescue of it? We will see live in this. This scenario has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device and due to losing of his device now. He has recommended because he was not in a position to the rescue by himself. So we will try to generate and have a good inspections that which one is best strategy to the rescue without having the recovery email and the recovery phones. But don't worry, in a case someone who has hijacked, hacked or stolen your Gmail password, even if it's chanced, recovery email and the recovery phone. However, you can protect your Gmail area. How it is, we will see live. Let's see. So the first and foremost, we can see here, this is area that we will try by a common method here that what's having a problem here. Now, so see here, we are in a recovery phase. It is asking a password. We don't have a password, so we don't. It is asking a phones. We don't have a phone because losing of device. So just we will try to approach or try another way. When we tap on it, so then it is asking a last passwords. Fine. We will attempt by another way. Now we don't have a phone number, so now here is asking. Yes, needs verifications, number for security we don't have. So now here is a saying that, oh, you did not provide enough information for the Google to show that this account is really on. Google asks for this information, of course, or info to keep your account secure. If the possible, when the sign in, answer as many questions as you can. This can be possible when use a device where you have the sign in before. And the third is that if your account is managed with any alternative email. We quit all options. We will try to generate more options. Is it possible? Yes. We'll come in a Play Store, guys. And in a Play Store, we have the one browser, and that is especially Ola browser. Of course, we will click on here, and now it has started to download. So let it complete installation. On the other hand, the two chances that is very crucial, guys. So we will come in a special items in the Google and hold a special in G browser and tap in app info, and when we tap on app info, now we will firstly close the free of space or remove permission if app is unused. Files, we will come in a notification, and in notification here we'll have to make it off this. Now we have a permissions we will tap in, we will go inside it, and here is a special location, so we will have to customize the precise location by tapping off. So now it has off. Click here, don't allow. So it's essential that if you deny this permission, the basic feature of your device no longer functions as intended. Do a step by step, guys, all of the tracks or taps, and similar as if we executes, then surely you will be able to rescue of your Gmail password easily. So don't skip ahead. Every step is very crucial and important for us. Now just we will come in here and back to, of course, here one more time we will have to back, and here is a open by default or set as a default. When we tap on it, what is going to happen? Here is a clear links. Just we will supported links, we will make it off, and then 2-3 times we will have to make it the clear. Then we will close it from here and upon. Once again, take any smartphones and of course apply a similar strategy, guys. Scan the how many browser you are using. On each browser you will have to apply. So here is a Chrome also. So we will hold it, and of course we will tap on this info. When we tap, then click on first and foremost remove permission if unused. We'll come in the notification of course here. Make a tap to off, and then we will back here, and we will come in a permissions to, of course we will have to tap on a locations, make it customized to the precise off, and then we will click yes, and then we will of course then click on a special element here. So we will click on especially this, don't allow anyway. No longer the function isn't hidden down. Now what we will do, guys, here, just we will here back, and now see here what's going to happen. Just we will come in the Play Store. Here it has been installed, so we will tap on here to open. So when we open, we will have to separate term and conditions to of course we will go for next to of course we will go for next, and of course we will go for finish it. So now we are on here. Now what we will do, guys, here the particular in especially this we'll have to write Google. So when we write on a Google and go for next, so when we tap on it, now we can see here on this Google Co. Just we will come on here, and here is a sign dot. We will tap on it. When we tap on it, then what's going to happen here, guys? We'll have to write this particular ID that we would like to the rescue. Yes, tap on an X. So when we tap on an X, and it will ask you password. Don't worry, just step by step. Yes, follow all the protocols that I'm going to do here. A little bit, if you mistake or alternative executes, and then you will have the problem. You will have to repeat once again all of the steps. So that's why. Now it is asking last password. Fine, last password we don't have, so now we will attempt here. This is the last verified 2-digit of this. So this side is fully verified, guys. If we have a phone number, then we can text or call, and we can get OTP, and easily we can reset. But right now, losing of the device, especially we don't have. So we'll tap on I don't have the phone. So when we tap I don't have phones, now this will give you couldn't sign in. If you are having this kind of the problem, then of course surely you can the rescue of it. But here more tips to the rescue means Google is giving an opportunity to more to the rescue it. So here what saying so that again you did not provide enough information for the Google to this, so that's when this account is really we'll ask you for this info to keep your account secure. Yes, this can be the possible way and answer as many questions as you can. Use a device where you have the sign-in before, and the third is that if your account is managed with the family link, should we have the sense and the email. So alternative email if you have, then of course, or parental especially family links, then we have the sense into where is the parental. If you would like to link or disconnection, that I will show you in the next tutorial. So if you want, and then by one email, so of course you can manage the multiple emails as a parental control of that. This facility is also given. So similarly it's a saying so that here if that email is a link, so then by that also you can the manage of this to reset of this Gmail password. So here we are not going with any, because we don't have just more tips to the rest of this account. We will take this feature. So is it don't click on a try again, so because maybe especially we will take a Google Assistant, so the Google will track and that's and the trying to the rescue by difference matter. So here just we will come in a Google services and the preferences by tapping on setting. Now we will take a Google Assistant, and easily this can be the rescue now. So all the criteria and the protocol you will have to follow and instructions, and then it will be very easy to the rescue. So here we will have to write a hacked Gmail recovery. So when we tap on a hacked Gmail recovery, then on the search bar, what's going to happen here? Google has given an opportunity that delete your accounts, the manage your especially account more secure, and second is the second to last is you can see here how to recover your Gmail, and this one is a secure, hacked or compromised Google account. So we will have to prefer this one, secure or hacked or Google. Here is a review your account activities, and we can see here is options, but review which devices you or uses your accounts. Then of course we can go on inside of it, and we can see now how many devices are locked with this array. Right now I'm not going to, because it will make a delay too much. So right now just we would like to find out if your account, yes, we will tap on it. So when we tap on it, and then you will be especially you'll have to come on at these steps, and that's scan the rescue of your accounts. Now if we tap on here, then we will have option that what if I can't sign in. So here's the creator replacement Google accounts. Again is that are getting locked out of your Gmail accounts. Fine. If the two option is coming, so means of course here Now the third is that account recovery page. We will have to tap on it. So when we tap on it, then what's going to happen? Directly would be a transfer to the recovery page. And the recovery page, what will happen, guys, here? When we tap one time, the side would be recommended here, and just we will go for here to next, and don't do anything. So automatically this side password will be especially recovered. Now see here. Welcome back. So it's welcoming. So here, don't click on a continue, otherwise would be trap in its verify you option of Google, and you don't have the right now the recovery phone number so that you can get OTP and the reset. So smartly you will have to handle on by tapping on update password. Update password means now that we have a strong opportunity to create a strong password and confirm a strong password. After confirming, save it. After saving, of course, we will go in a Google account management to a security in there, add a firstly recovery phone number, and after adding the recovery phone number, then not a phone numbers, guys, email firstly we will have to add, and by adding the firstly alternative email, then yes, we can remove easily alternative old phone number that was added that you don't have. Add a new phone numbers in there, and after adding, of course, in this area will be fully secure, whatever you would like to do. But these things further we cannot show you because this is privacy concern of my viewer who has recommended, who was too much in the anxiety because there is a lot of the private data that for this concern, especially. I'm sorry for it that I cannot disclose the further. But similar strategy you will have to execute. And if you're having the problem, then blindly leave your comments below. Drop your comments in the comments box. Pleasure would be managed to reply your query. If you're unable to execute everything, so that if you think so that it's customized and it's easy on the setup and you cannot, so then of course you can drop your email. Of course, if you don't have any objection or disclose to your ID on a public domain on these channels, and then of course we'll rescue and deliver it for you. So thank you for staying the tail end of this tutorial. Hi, this is the Technology Welfare, and I would be back with a step-by-step new tutorial. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and the setups on these concerns, because this is the things that inspire me a lot to make such an informative tutorial, and it supports the channel, guys. So thank you very much for that.